With example 3, we are given the height of a ball thrown from a hand 3 feet above the ground is given by the function h equals negative 5t squared plus 14t plus 3, where t is in seconds and h is the height of the ball in meters. We're asked to graph the function and be sure to label to the axes t and h, which I have already done. And we're asked what is the height of the ball after 2 seconds. So first we're going to graph. So we've got a chart here of h of 0, h of 1, so on and so forth. So h of 0 equals negative 5 times 0 squared plus 14 times 0 plus 3, which equals 3. H of 1 equals negative 5 times 1 squared plus 14 times 1 plus 3. That's going to equal negative 5 plus 17, which equals 12. H of 3, so at 3 seconds we have negative 5 times 3 squared plus 14 times 3 plus 3. That equals 9 times negative 5 is negative 45 plus 42 plus 3, which equals negative 45 plus 45, which is 0. So at 3, we're at a height of 0. At 5, negative 5 times 5 squared plus 14 times 5 plus 3, that equals 5 times 5 is 25. 5 squared is 25 times negative 5 is negative 125 plus 73, which equals negative 125 plus 73. That equals negative 52. Here's the thing, unless we're in a cavern, which it does not mention, there is no way to have a negative height. So there's no point in going on after 3 because, well, it's 0. So we'll go ahead and add in one other point here. And we will make that 2. So at t equals 2, h of 2 equals negative 5 times 2 squared plus 14 times 2 plus 3, which equals negative 5 times 4 is negative 20 plus 28 plus 3, which is 31, which equals 11. So we can just do away with the 5 here, and we can graph the others. So at 0, we are at 3. Let's go ahead and make each one of these tick marks 1/2 in the positive h direction. So we'll start off with 1, 2, 3. So each one of these tick marks is 1, but on the graph, each box represents 1/2 unit. And in the x direction, we're going from 0 to 3. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing in this direction. And actually, let's go ahead and, I'm sorry, in the h direction, since we're looking at heights from 0 to 12, let's make each one of these 3 units instead of 1 unit as I stated. So we'll make in the positive y direction 3, 6, 9, and 12. And in this direction, it will still equal 1/2. So 1, 2, 3. So at 0, we are at a height of 3. At 1, we are at a height of 12. At 2, we are at a height of 11. And at 3, we are at a height of 0. So connecting those dots with what is hopefully a smooth curve, we have this graph representing the height after t seconds. We've already determined what 2 was, which it asks, what is the height of the ball after 2 seconds? The height of the ball after 2 seconds is going to be 11 meters.